What issue was your company facing that led you to start searching for safety software?
It was filing cabinets full of paperwork, Excel files that constantly had to be updated. We have an encryption software here, so constantly having to share documents back and forth made it difficult and kind of halted progress in what we were trying to do with the safety department. We're also looking for our ISO 45001 certificate, and so part of that is coming into the digital age really and having a solid foothold on how we're going to manage document retention and training and stuff. And so we made the decision to start looking around at options, and we went through 5 or 6 different companies, and the prices were just astronomical. And so we ultimately sat down with Daniel and Travis and worked through it. That's how we ended up here today.
What kind of impact did you see as soon as you implemented SafetyAmp?
Started out in 2023 with 17 near miss or potential hazard reports, and most of those came from the actual safety team. To when we look now, we're at 479 for the year. That's a tremendous impact. That means 479 individual people have reported something in the plant that previously they weren't able to do. And they, the best part about it is, prior to SafetyAmp, they could submit a potential hazard or near miss, but they wouldn't be able to get updates on what was happening. Whereas now when they submit it, they have real-time access to see what we're doing, how we're fixing it, attachments that we put in, pictures, videos, and so they can feel more at ease knowing that what they've looked at, what they're looking out for, what they're asking for help is actually being looked at, and it's not just being put away in a filing cabinet somewhere and forgotten about.
What would you say to someone who's currently on the fence about getting safety software?
I think all they have to do is just try it, right? If once they try it and they get people to use it, it becomes abundantly clear why you guys are slowly taking the market over and why these other companies just are not feasible.
Okay, so everyone talks about building a safety culture and everyone says that they want to do it, but you've actually done it. So how did you do it?
It was just the excitement part. It's this cool new thing that we've never had before. Let's see what happens. And it wasn't a flop, right? There's been plenty of times where people put a software out and it's like, meh, all right, it's okay. It's one extra step. Now I got to sign to a tablet and do the same thing I was doing before, Whereas this one it's a completely different process. Like we were able to better track and help with the areas that we were struggling in, rather than just making it wasn't more paperwork, it wasn't more work. If anything, it was less work. We streamlined the process. And so, you ask anybody if we can make their job easier and safer at the same time, they're going to pick that route every time.